I had a friend who got a little angry at his TV, kind of smashed the screen. So this guy here, I think it's about 42 inches. Unfortunately, the screen is cracked, at least the internal screen thing. In my area, no one wants these. Usually it's a power supply or a board that's broken, people might buy them. But once the screen is actually cracked, no one wants them. And I'm pretty sure this is an older TV. Also, I think it looks kind of like a HDMI, sorry, not HDMI, a LCD plasma TV. So people don't really care for these anymore either.